Hello, my name is Wayne Matthews. Thank you for visiting my website. We are Primary Solutions Consulting, your licensed water treatment specialists. I would guess it's safe to assume that you're here looking for a water softener or a water filter, a salt-free water system, or perhaps a purification system. Or maybe you're looking to service one of these devices. And you'd probably like to make the right decision the first time. Or perhaps you've had something installed in your home for a few years that's giving you nothing but trouble. This is one of my most popular calls, people calling with systems that have lots of problems. Either way, I would like to offer you something a bit different than you're probably used to. Why are we different? Well, there's no sales gimmicks, no high-pressure sales tactics, just good old-fashioned, honest, straightforward education. My goal is to educate as many people as I can in regard to the pros and the cons of any system that you may be interested in. When that is accomplished, it will be much easier for people to make decisions based on the facts and the logic rather than salesmanship and emotion. When you call me and make an appointment, this is what I'll do for you. I'll come to your home. I will show you where and how your system can be installed. Then I'll sit down with you and show you the different systems and the way they operate. This is very important. Fact. I am not loyal to any distributor. In other words, I'm not locked into selling any one particular system. I can keep your best interest in mind. I'm loyal to my customer and myself. What this means is, if I recommend what's truly the best for you, then I have friendly, grateful, and happy customers. I call this a win-win situation. So remember, I can get you almost any system that you want, but you will know the pros and the cons of any of your choices. Many times people make decisions based on emotion when they're sitting with a salesman. This won't be the case. If you're interested in a water softener, I will show you the pros and the cons of different styles of water softeners so you can have the information that you need to make the decision that's best for you. In other words, you'll make an informed decision. If you're interested in a salt-free system, I'll show you how they work. I'll show you the pros and the cons. I'll show you the things that people have said that aren't true and the things that people have said that are true. Salt-free systems have been misleading people for a long time, but they're good for some folks. It might be you and it might not. If you're interested in a filter only or a reverse osmosis purification system, I will show you the pros and the cons. I will show you which one's easier to service and which one's not. I'll show you the proper way to install it, the legal way to install it. After speaking with me for about 20 to 40 minutes, you will be more knowledgeable than most of the salespeople that are sitting across from you trying to convince you to buy their equipment. I will not try to sell you. I will give you the information that you need. I will make my recommendation, and then I will leave it in your hands. So thanks for visiting my website. Give me a call, set an appointment. Have a blessed day.